The fireplace is the soul of your living room, but if yours is still stuck in the 90s, it's dragging down the energy of the whole house. A facelift isn't just about a new coat of paint. It's about scale and texture. We look at how the stone or tile interacts with your floor and your ceiling height. First, we address the mantel. Those old, chunky oak surrounds often take up too much visual space. We're replacing them with clean lines, be it a floating reclaimed timber or a sleek stone ledge. Next is the surface. We're seeing a shift away from small bricks toward large format porcelain or stacked stone. It creates a seamless, modern look that makes the room feel taller. But here's the teacher's tip. Fireplace work is about safety first. We have to maintain strict, non-combustible clearances between the firebox and your new mantel. While we're in there, we inspect the guts. If you've got an old gas insert, now is the time to upgrade to a high-efficiency unit that actually heats your home instead of just looking pretty. And let's talk about the TV. Most people want it above the hearth. We specialize in heat shielding and hiding those unsightly wires behind the new stone for a clean finish. We take pride in the joinery. Where the stone meets the wall should be perfect. It's that level of craftsmanship that makes the difference in a focal point. When you change the fireplace, you change the room. It goes from a dated corner to the place where everyone wants to gather on a cold northwest evening. Ready to give your living room a new heart? Let's design a fireplace that truly fits your style. Vista Contractors. We live where you live.